barbecue pitmaster, chef, Mexican, American, Texan. When the smoke settles, one thing is clear. Chef Miguel Vidal is all of these things, and so is his food.
Tex Mex barbecue. This is what Mexican Americans or Hispanics or just Texans in general, Tejano cooking is about.
Pepper bark brisket, sweet and smoky barbecue sauce, fluffy handmade flour tortillas, and scratch-made salsas. That's Tex-Mex barbecue, and it's right here at Valentina's.
It's the best barbecue in Austin, without a doubt, hands down.
A stationary food truck paradise where a perfect marriage of Texas and Mexican barbecue traditions live together in holy matrimony. And it all started in a backyard on San Antonio's south side.
Backyard barbecues, that's all we did, you know. He was always around, always watching and learning and just soaking it in. Miguel learned tortillas from his mom.
I hear your tortillas are amazing.
Yeah, I kind of said, I like mine better.
That family rivalry runs thick in the Vidal family.
I guess I was like 26 when I really started trying to cook a brisket better than my father.
That was
It was
the
around that time.
competition was with Dad.
That was it.
And boy, has Miguel given his dad a run for his money. Bon Appetit, Travel and Leisure, Time Magazine, and even Texas Monthly have put Miguel's brisket at the top of their coveted lists.
It's so tender.
Every inch is seasoned with a spice blend that's loaded with coarse black pepper, then slowly smoked for 16 hours. And that brisket is beyond delicious. But it was tacos that put Valentina's on my radar. Breakfast tacos.
The breakfast taco, I think, is one of the best things they've got.
Feast your eyes on the real deal Holyfield. A massive fresh flour tortilla is loaded with charro beans, potatoes, and a ranchero salsa fried egg. Then comes the brisket and the bacon. That is delicious. Whoa. Go Tex with a massive mesquite-smoked beef rib or a pulled chicken sandwich garnished with tangy cabbage slaw, pickled onions, and pit-smoked barbecue sauce. Or go Mex with sizzling cerveza beef fajitas, marinated in Mexican beer and fresh lime juice. Or a classic carnitas taco with cilantro and spicy serrano salsa. Better yet, get the best of both Tex and Mex with the brisket taco. 2 hefty hunks of brisket slathered with sea salt, guacamole, salsa, and slaw. Miguel started Valentina's with a small loan, a ton of family support, and his dad's backyard barbecue smoker.
I didn't know what I was getting into. You know, I'm calling my mom to come up and help roll tortillas. To my dad's like sweeping and watching fires for us, and I'm yelling at him. And he's, hey, relax, we got it, you know?
Miguel's Tex-Mex barbecue concept was a huge hit, and they quickly outgrew their single barbecue pit.
Actually, we rebuilt it, and I gave it back to him. We refurbished the pit.
Nice.
These went on around 10 a.m. and they'll be coming off between 2 and 5 a.m. in the morning.
No matter how long you have to wait in line, at this Austin barbecue joint, there's always something fresh from the pit for breakfast, lunch, or dinner.
It's great if you want to take family home dinner. You can just get a couple pounds of something.
You should definitely come check it out.
And it's always made con amor.